How to get Slack QR code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can get Slack QR code. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First thing you'll need to do is head over to Slack. So open up your web browser and go to slack.com. After you're on your Slack, what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on your workspace name. After you tap on your workspace name, you will then need to see an option that says sign in on mobile. Tap on sign in on mobile and you'll get the QR code for your mobile. Simply scan it using your mobile device. To do that, you can open Slack on your mobile device. From the Home tab, swipe right, tap on Add a Workspace at the bottom of the pane, and after you do that, sign in to another workspace at the bottom of the list, and then tap Scan QR code. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.